gonna chill from the ground today because I feel like I'm gonna be doing probably a lot of shots from my desk, so mixing it up. You can see my messy room in the background. Yes. Hi everyone, if you're new, my name is Megan. I am a rising third year at the University of Virginia. I make college and lifestyle videos, and today I'm bringing y'all a productive vlog. I really wanted to focus it on rebranding my channel, which I've been really doing a lot of research lately on YouTube, just kind of thinking about like what branding means, how I can further evolve my channel this summer. My internship got canceled, and honestly, what else am I doing? This is going to be kind of like a normal vlog with this like little segment about rebranding. I wasn't sure if you guys would want to see a full video about this, but if you guys are interested in any kind of videos about YouTube or YouTube tips, optimizing a channel, something like that, definitely let me know with a comment down below because I love to watch these videos. They are seriously some of my favorite videos to watch. I love learning about business and how people are shifting their YouTube channels that they created for like hobbies or whatever, which obviously if you go back and watch my old videos, definitely did that. Taking that and then optimizing it into like a full-blown business is so cool to me. So if you're new, definitely subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up because that really actually helps out my channel. It really helps the engagement, helps me promote my video across YouTube platforms, so please help a sister out. Anyways, as you guys saw, I used my planner to kind of list out what I want to do today. I have a whole list of things that I want to do today for the rebranding part of this video. I want to change out my profile picture, which I have two that I'm choosing between. I want to update my playlist because I feel like that's a great way for people to binge watch your videos. And then also I've been working on changing the ad breaks in my videos because that has actually really increased my revenue without even doing that much. You guys are YouTubers yourself. YouTube usually places ad breaks in your videos automatically. I've found that YouTube either places like no ad breaks or they place 10, so that's just insane. So I've really been trying to like make it consistent throughout and have something where it's a natural break in the video or it's been like a certain amount of time and it's not like every minute. Oh my gosh, I know some YouTubers who do that. Literally no one's gonna watch that video. Also, I've been meaning to update my description box to where I have a full template. I've been like just kind of pulling from different parts of old description boxes whenever I write mine, but just learning how to optimize that. I actually made an Amazon storefront, which is really exciting, but it has nothing on it. I don't really know how to work that, so it's like little things to like either increase revenue, just kind of streamline it all a little bit and just make it easier for myself in the future, kind of give my channel a new look because my channel banner also, that's like the main thing that just needs an overhaul. I've had that one since December 2018. God, it is just, it's time to go. So the official list of everything that I want to do today for the rebranding is she's a Mona Lisa. I also have a lot of other things to do today. I need to plan out this week and figure out what videos I'm filming and what I'm doing each day to further myself and be intentional with my time, because even though I feel like I've been home forever, which I have, I actually don't have too much time left. It's it's July today. It's July 12th. I am moving into Cayo on August 17th, so that's like a month, and then I'm spending a week in Virginia Beach in between now and then I'm going to the Outer Banks for a couple days. There's a lot going on. Not really, but like, you know, there's some stuff coming up, so I need to be intentional with my time. And then a couple other things, like I need to clean my room, I need to work out. What I'm gonna do right now is start on the channel banner because that's the most exciting slash thing that I've like really been dying to do the most. I'm thinking I'm gonna actually create the channel banner in Canva and then maybe do some doodles in Procreate, but that honestly totally depends. I have no idea where this is going, so you guys are just coming with me on the creative process. I've tried to be more creative lately, but it's not really working, so let's see what I come up with. I'm honestly intrigued. This is what my channel banner currently looks like. It's a lot. It's obnoxious. I absolutely hate it now, honestly. And these pictures are so old. That's from, God, like February 2018. That's from December 2018. So like, no, I don't look like that anymore. Also, like, just not really my vibe. The profile pictures I'm thinking of using, it's either gonna be this one, which I like this picture better, but this one is further away and easy to see like in the circle, if you know what I mean. So I don't know which one, but that's gonna be a game time decision. I don't love how orangey they are just because that's like not super my vibe. Maybe I'll re-edit them so that they're less orangey. Yeah, maybe I'll do that.
All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa.
Okay, so I really think I'm getting somewhere. It's taken me a while to get this far. I just did this little artwork here. Honestly, just traced it from a similar Pinterest image, kind of made it my own. I put that in the background there, and now I'm wondering if I don't like this. I'm almost thinking of taking like 3 images from here, like one like this mixed with the Rotunda one to kind of give the UVA vibe, and then like do one of these and then do it in like a Polaroid maybe, and then do Megan Kelleher college fashion. I do not do fashion. College fashion productivity, whatever. I've been at this for almost an hour, which seems crazy, but also I'm probably not going to replace this for another year, so like I want to make it good. I'm gonna let that all marinate up in my head with those thoughts, but right now I'm gonna go eat lunch because it's, oh my gosh, it's 3 p.m. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have leftover salmon from last night, which I'm so amped to eat because I actually had dinner with Ashley last night. Hopefully that will give me some brain power to continue doing this, come up with something amazing and relatively quickly. Hello. I am now totally changing my vibe. I really like the idea of doing like 4 little Polaroids, so I just put this background again, but I am gonna do the cheetah background, I'm thinking, and then keep maybe the same font. I don't know, just kind of mess around here. I've been working on this for so long, but I just kind of started up again. I'm watching Emma Top's video. If you guys don't watch her, she's awesome. She also lives like really close to me, and she went to the high school I was zoned to, so that's funny. But anyways, that's her. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, work on this, and show you guys what I come up with. I think I've done it. I always feel weird like recording things like this where it's like creative and stuff, because I feel this pressure to like make it really good the first time, and like that's never how it goes. But I came up with something. I am so excited about it. So I'm going to kind of resize it and stuff, because whenever I create a new channel banner, you have to follow the template that you can find online, but you never quite know how it's gonna look in the 3 different previews, because there's your phone, there's the TV, and then there's like the desktop one. Obviously, I want to make sure it looks good on all 3 of those, so I'm just going to upload this image and see what it looks like, and then kind of tweak from there and see if I can get it to look perfect, because of course that's what we want. Nothing but the best around here. Okay, it's been like 3 minutes since I just filmed that clip. I was totally intending to download the wallpaper and just get it done, but I actually, originally, as you guys know, I had all of this like photo reel, and I like the idea of that, but I actually just redid my end slate because I actually really like my end slate, but I want these 2 to match, so I just used the same background and the same fonts and the same kind of color scheme with the neutrals and the pop of pink, and then I used this reel, and then I'm just gonna have my subscribe button in the middle, and then the 2 videos on the sides like I usually do. But I'm obsessed with this. I think this looks super cute, and it has a similar vibe. This is the banner. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I'm gonna see how this looks with everything, but I'm obsessed. Totally my vibe. That's honestly like the vibe I give in most of my videos anyway, so it just ties it all together. Looks really good here, but then if I go onto my phone, I honestly don't even hate that though, because then you can see still the one picture. If I push the photos out so far that it wouldn't even show up on my phone, which I think I might like better. I'm afraid to be alone. Now see, that looks stupid. Kind of the right crop here. I think that's the best one for the desktop, and honestly that's what I care the most about. This I think looks pretty good. It's not my favorite, but I like that a lot, so I'm gonna keep it. I can't lie, the amount of time that I just spent on that was ridiculous, but the next things that I'm doing are like little things that I've been meaning to do, first of which is changing my profile picture. As I showed you guys earlier, I have the 2 options that I'm unsure about, and I don't even not like my profile picture now. It's totally fine. It's just really old, and I feel like this would just complete the new look. I might do a little bit of rearranging with the way my channel looks when you first come onto it, but I'm just so excited about this banner. Like, I'm just so into it. There's this one where I look like that, and this one where I'm like looking like that. I feel like that's a better one. If you guys like the other one, let me know and I'll change it back. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Body for good. Hey guys, it's 6:22. It's literally so much later, but I just finished up here. I got the playlist all sorted. They are just so beautiful. You can't even see them all like in one place, but I just kind of made a playlist for everything. I'm obsessed with my homepage. So I have obviously the channel banner up here. I have all the updated links, new profile picture, and then you scroll down. I have this video playing because I feel like, one, it's a good channel trailer. Two, if people are interested in this, they're gonna want to watch some of my other videos. For playlist, I used to have a lot of different ones. Here I have uploads, and I used to have popular uploads, but I don't really think that people go to this page to look at my popular uploads. Plus you can sort the videos anyway. So I have Meg's best hits, which maybe it should be Meg's greatest hits. Anyways, these are just like my all-time favorite videos, whether they're really personal or they have memories that I love. I would say about half of these are really popular and half of these are like, I have my first video ever in here this weekend when I went to Virginia Beach. Like that's a really special vlog, like just stuff like that. Then I have all my college videos, which is obviously a majority of my channel. And then more specifically, I have college vlogs because I know these are super popular, so entice some more people. And then down here at the bottom, I have all of my created playlists. And obviously at the moment, they're kind of out of order. Like why would that be there? Because it's not Christmas. Once I upload a couple more videos, these will start to sort out again because they're based on the last time you updated them. So I feel like it's pretty succinct, but also very full of information and different places for people to go. I'm honestly so tired, but it's like 6:30 right now. I'm about to eat dinner, I think. And honestly, I wanted to get in a workout, but I'm not sure that that's gonna happen. So what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna sit on my computer and work on creating my optimized description box until dinner. I want to make sure that all my description boxes have like little different sections. So I like have these like titles and stuff, links, music used, and I want to make sure that they all have the same one in the upload defaults because recently I've just been like copying and pasting from past ones. So I want to make sure there's like a section for everything. And then I know some people will put like keywords in the bottom of theirs, but not just like keywords and more in like sentence form and stuff for better SEO. I don't know. I need to do some research on that. Tired, can you tell? We pushed through, people. It's also 6 p.m. so there's no reason to take a nap. Ooh, really blinding out here. Okay. Hello, lovelies. It has been a hot minute since I've updated you guys, and honestly, I feel like I've been really productive in this vlog, but you guys probably haven't really felt like that because I haven't really filmed too much of it because I felt like it was too many time lapses, but here we are. I ate dinner, and as you guys saw, I was just sitting on my bed fixing up my description box, and I'm really happy with it now. It's exactly what I wanted it to be, but it definitely like took a hot minute to gather my thoughts, you know what I mean? I put my new Instagram handle in most of my videos, pretty much any video from like 2 years ago and beyond. I didn't, just because one, those don't really get many views, and the like 3 that do, I obviously put it in there. Right now it is 7:41, so I'm going to take some time and clean up my room and put away my clean laundry that's been sitting here since last night. So definitely need to do that. I think I'm either gonna go on a walk / run, probably like a mix of both, around 8 or 8:15, just because it's like golden hour right now and I want to go outside, but I still want to get some exercise in too. So I feel like that could be something nice to just release some energy for sure. It's like all this stuff on the surfaces. Oh, can't see back there. Can you guys see? This is just like one big thing of a lot of laundry that needs to be folded. So great. Let me turn on some lights in here. Let's get cleaning. I mean, I honestly just changed my shorts to my shoes. This shirt is not that flattering, but still wearing it. I'm wearing these shorts from Target. They're the maternity looking ones. I showed you guys before, like the waistband is literally up here, but they're not actually maternity shorts, which I think is the funniest part. They're really comfy, and I don't think I'm gonna run. I'm probably just gonna walk. I'm also wearing my running shoes though, just in case I do. They're really dirty. Don't mind that. Okay, hi. As you can see, I changed into a tank top before I went. A little out of breath because I just finished my run / walk. I didn't go super far. I probably went like 2.5 3 miles. I definitely like walked the first part of it because I thought I was just gonna do a walk, but then I wanted to run. Liv called me, so we talked for a little bit, and then I ran the last little part. Definitely not like fully running at all, but good exercise. I think I might do a couple of arm exercises just because I'm trying to tone up my arms. I'm gonna listen to Big Booty probably for like 10 minutes. I'm craving something sweet right now, so we just cut up some watermelons. I'm gonna have that because that would just like hit the spot right now. And I'm trying to be healthier, so that's a lot better for you than like ice cream. Plus honestly, watermelon sounds better, so. I just hopped out of the shower. It's around 11:30 right now. Whoops. Yeah, so definitely been a minute since I last talked to y'all. Honestly, that's just because I was doing a lot of computer work. I was going on Notion and trying to figure out a new template for my to-dos just because I don't love the way that mine is set up right now. So that was taking me a long time and I didn't really feel like filming that. I feel like you guys probably don't care. Overall, I feel like today was pretty productive with the rebranding and stuff. Even though it did take a while, it's definitely gonna last me a while too. So it's like a time investment work worth making, if I can speak. I'm just gonna do my skincare and then probably import this footage and start editing this video to go up tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna end it here because there's not really much else to show. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel with the engagement. And if you're new, subscribe down below. I make new videos every Sunday and the occasional Wednesday, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.